Today's special mix is stuffed calamari. Here in the kitchen, we've got cooked brown rice and mixed cheese. And we're gonna take the mixed cheese and add it to the brown rice in a bowl. Adding about a teaspoon of Hawaiian salt and black pepper. And we're gonna mix it up and mix it good. This is our stuffing. Here comes the calamari. Some say squid, some say iga. Today's calamari is a little on the small side. However, the larger the calamari, the easier it is to stuff. As we carefully and gently stuff our mixed cheese and rice stuffing into the calamari shell. Then we're going to use a toothpick to cap the end. Nice. And we're going to continue the process until we complete stuffing them all. Here's our legs. We'll be adding those to the skillet. Cutting a fresh tomato. We're going to dice this up. This is going to be added to our sauce. Firing up the skillet and adding some olive oil and a clove of garlic. And now we're going to start to add our stuffed calamari to the skillet. Adding a little pinch of Hawaiian salt. It's important when cooking the calamari that you don't overcook it. Slightly browned, yet still tender on the outside. Adding the legs. Another pinch of Hawaiian salt and black pepper. And now we're going to add our diced tomatoes. As we continue to grill it in the skillet. Pinch of thyme. And we're going to cap it to increase our heat. Beautiful. Looking good. Cheese nice and melted. Squeeze of some lime for that final mix and a little shoyu. And we're good to go. Looking so good, smelling amazing. And as you're plating the stuffed calamari, careful to make sure you get all of the toothpicks out of the ends. You don't want to get stuck. Ouch. And once we have all of our calamari on the plate, and we're going to start to add the sauce to the calamari with the legs. Looking so good. Good to go. a sprinkle of thyme, and dinner is served. Enjoy. Ooh, may I? Little squeeze of lime, and I'm good to go. Oh man, check out that texture. So nice. Ready? Oh, wonderful. That is good. Beautiful. Mahalo for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.